Hey guys, so today we're gonna do the conditional and loops theory. So basically, I will teach you all the theory in this mind map, and the next thing which I'm gonna do is create a project related to this section so that you can practice and mind one thing that uh, 10 minutes of coding is equal to 1 hour of learning coding. So I believe learning coding through projects is the best thing. So let's quickly see the theory here, and then we can uh, learn more through projects. So basically, we're going to learn about conditional and loops. So basically, conditionals are basically used to check whether a condition is true or false. Yes, it's simple. In coding, multiple times you have to check conditions. For example, you are a rocket scientist and you have to check the air pressure. If the air pressure is below a certain level, then you have to increase the speed or decrease the speed of the rocket according to that. If the air pressure, if the solar winds, or if the winds around a planet, right? Uh, the forces, everything needs to be calculated. So basically, that type of for using that type of things, you use conditionals. So conditional checks whether the value is true or false. So basically, it returns a Boolean value and operates according to it. So basically, if we have to check Boolean values, we have to use Boolean operators. For example, if we have two conditions and we have to check whether both conditions are true, we join them using and if we have to check at least one is true, so we both can be true or one can be true. So we use or and not. It basically reverses the result. Basically, if we have to check it's raining, so we will create a Boolean variable name is raining, and we will make it true, and we will check using if. But if we have to give the input and it's not raining, so we can uh, do something like this if and not raining. So basically, it reverses the result. So let's quickly understand. You will learn more about this while we code. Don't need to worry about this a lot. So basically, let's quickly understand some syntaxes. You have to write if and then condition, then semicolons, and then the code block. Basically, in other languages, you need brackets around this condition, but Python is simpler. So you just need to write the condition and write the code block. For example, we have are written here. If age is greater than equal to 18, then you have to print adult. And then you can create a multiple if-else block. For example, a person enters and you have to check whether he's greater than 18, less than 18, or greater than 60, less than 60. So you have to check four and five conditions. So in that type of case, you use if, elif, and else. So basically, elif means else if. Basically, it's short form in Python, or it's a short form of else if in Python. You can see if marks greater than equal to 90 here, the student will be assigned a grade A. If it's greater than equal to 75, the grade will be given B. And if it's greater than equal to 50, the grade will be given C. Else, the grade will be given F. So this is the format of how the if else elif did ladder works, and you can see this. Basically, the semicolon you see after this statement is basically the indentation. It tells where the compiler where the code blocks begins. So it has a simple format. Uh, you will understand it more deeply when we create the arcane game, the next video on that. So basically, this is a simple format. You can read it out. And now we have various comparison operators to compare various situations. So we use double equal to see whether two things are equal in value or not. Keep in mind, we are not going into the memory address of this value and checking these values are same. Basically, we are just comparing its values. These values can be stored in different variables, and we can check not equal to, similarly greater than or greater than equal to, and less than or less than equal to. This we will also cover in the project. Then we have three most important control statements, which are break, continue, and pass. Basically, pass you don't need that much. Mostly we use break and continue. Break basically terminates the loop completely, and it's like you basically are writing a loop. Loop is basically something which makes our work easier when we have to repeat things. For example, we have to print from 1 to 100. So you can't give a print command every time. You just take a variable and you just basically write the statement. For example, here we have written for I in range 5. So basically, if you ignore this and we write a print here, so basically print I, so basically it will print the number from 1 to 5. So that what loop does. So basically here they have written that if I equals to 3, it breaks. Means the loop gets skipped and the next line of code gets executed. So that's how we use the break statement. And the skip continue statements basically skips the correct iteration and continues. For example, if for example here they are uh, printing numbers from 1 to 5. So they have written if I equals to 2, continue. So I equals to 2 will not be printed, and the rest number 1, 3, 4, and 5 will be printed here. So it skips the current iteration and continues the loop. Pass basically does nothing. It's used as a placeholder. You don't need that much, that much. So basically, here you can see how loops and conditionals work. For example, we are using a if statement. So the statement starts and it gives a condition. And if it is true, the block of code is executed, or or if it is false, some other block of code is executed and the statement ends. Okay. And how loop works, the loops get started and it checks whether while the condition is true. For example, in this case, I moves from 1 to 5. So basically, the condition is true till I equals to 5. Okay. Uh, so basically, that's if it is true, the block of code is executed, or if it is false, another block of code is executed and it ends. Okay. So we use two type of loops in Python. The first one is while loops. Basically, the while loop is the one whether we don't know how many iterations are there. Exactly, we don't know. So we just have a condition that, for example, while the age of this person is less than 18, the person can't vote. So in while writing this type of code, we use while. For example, if you see here, it has written equals to 1 and I is less than equal to 5, print I, and we have used we have used an increment to I so that I just doesn't remain same all the time. If we don't use this increment, it will become an infinite loop because the value of I is not changing. So what it's doing, it's checking for I equal to 1, I equal to 2 till I equal to 5. Okay, so this line is very important because if you don't use this, it would become an infinite loop. Then for a sequence, when we know we have a list of items and we want to move to them. So we use for loop in this. For example, in this case, you see it is moving from 1 to 6, and in this it's moving from in this it's moving in a string and searching hello and printing out all the characters. We can also use nested loops, which is a loop inside another loop. I will make a detailed video on that, so you don't need to worry about it for now.